How you can easily find saved videos on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your YouTube, and this should be your home screen. And once your home screen is open, on the bottom of your screen you will see different tabs like your home, shorts, subscription, and then the U tab. If you tap on the U tab, it will take you to your library, and here on the top of your screen you will see your history. So all of your recently watched videos will be shown right here, and in order to see all of them you can tap on view all. Now YouTube has made it easier for you to separate shorts and long form videos. So shorts will appear something like this, and your long form videos will appear like this. And in order to see other things on your library, you can see your playlist right here. If you've created any playlist or watched later videos, they will be shown right here. You can even filter them with the name, reverse alphabetical order, and then recently played as well. And finally, you'll get your videos where you have all of the videos that you've uploaded on your channel, and then you have the download section where if you've downloaded any of the videos to watch later offline, they will be shown right here. And after that you will get your movies, so if you've purchased any movies or shows, it will be shown right here. That's about it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.